Hi, welcome to my another video on Agile. Today I'm going to talk about Agile testing and how the Agile tester should basically think. I have recently gone through a book called Growing Agile. I found it to be very interesting and thought of creating a video on similar topic by adding some of my experiences. Here are the brief summary of topics that I will talk in this video. We will start with testing in Agile is a continuous activity. Then I will talk about mindset of preventing bugs early in the development cycle, followed by product quality is team's responsibility, and finally the importance of communication and interactions for testers. First of all, let me be clear that there is nothing like fixed agile testing approach or methodologies. Rather, it is a mindset change while thinking about testing a software. It is essentially about how we fit testing in the agile development environment. Agile testers must understand the values of Agile Manifesto and build the testing culture around this. So, Agile says testing is a continuous activity. As we know, in traditional software development approach, testing was a phase in the end. When the software is ready, it is handed over to the test team for finding defects. However, Agile treats testing as an activity and not a phase in the end. Testing needs to happen along with coding. It is difficult to build this mindset, but when it is built in the process, the quality of the product will definitely go very high. So, what is the benefit of making it as a continuous activity? Making testing a continuous activity engages testers right from the beginning. Their knowledge enhances along with the product development and it helps in enhancing the product quality in many aspects. Continuous testing also helps in finding bugs early and this leads to reducing bug fixing time as developer might have just completed the implementation and would be very fresh in mind. Also, finding a bug early helps in revealing other hidden bugs inside that bug. Mindset of preventing bugs early in the development lifecycle. Focus of the agile tester should be on avoiding defects and helping the team in delivering software which generates value to the customer. They should build mindset of preventing defects rather than finding the bug at the end. In traditional software development, testing used to start very late in the development cycle and testers' mindset used to be to find bugs and somehow increase their individual bug raised count. Agile focuses on building quality from the very beginning. It says build quality into the product rather than relying heavily on inspecting the final product for defect at the end. For this to happen, testers should change the culture of finding defect with the culture of preventing defect. So what is the benefit of this approach? Preventing bugs in early development cycle can be far more cost effective as we know that cost of fixing bug in later stages are very expensive. The graph in the right side shows the same thing. Quality is responsibility of entire team. In traditional software development, quality testing used to be the sole responsibility of an independent testing team whose responsibility is to validate the level of quality of the product. However, Agile says quality should not be the sole responsibility of a separate independent testing team. It is rather everyone's responsibility who produces the product. But testers should assist the team in ensuring that quality software is being developed. In agile environment, quality is not limited to reduction of bugs only. Rather, quality is the value added to the product. So what is the benefit of this approach? I have a question here. Do you think we can get a quality product if only testing team wants it? No. There are other aspects of quality which can be delivered by developer and other stakeholders as well. For example, unit testing, automated testing, security and performances. Hence, whole team's effort is needed to deliver a high quality product. However, testers can always help and support the team in technical aspects as well. That's why in agile teams, testers should have a little of technical knowledge as well. Believe more on communication and interaction. In traditional approach, testers are expected to follow the specification and test accordingly, where basically they check each step and ticks the steps to indicate if it is pass or fail, which is not effective and looks quite boring too. Agile believes more on communication and interaction, which makes testing fun. Testers are encouraged to enhance their understanding by interacting right from the beginning with the developer, POs, and everyone, and seek ways to add value to the product. But the sad part is that most of the agile testers does not realize this fun. Even still in many agile teams, the testing mindset is still traditional. Testers should understand the interaction is much more important than actual testing or actually testing code itself. That's all for this video. If it is useful, then please like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.